For decades, following World War II, there has been a rising problem taking over the human race and the whole world, a problem called plastic pollution. Plastic pollution has become one of the most alarming environmental issues prevalent around the globe. As production of plastics rapidly increased over the past few decades, the disposal of these plastic productions overwhelmed the world's capability to deal with these plastic waste. Today, every person depends on plastics in their daily lives. Transforming the modern age, a life without plastics would be seemingly impossible. Plastics revolutionized the medical world with their technological advancements, made space travel possible, used for safety equipment like helmets, and several other advancements. Although plastics offer a wide range of usage, a culture was adopted over the century called throwaway culture, which shows the darker side of our world.
As of today, each year, approximately 40% of plastic produced are single-use plastic. The majority of these products are plastic bags and food wrappers, which are typically used for a few minutes to a few hours. Yet, they last in the environment for hundreds and thousands of years due to the additional additives making these plastics stronger and durable. Furthermore, half of all plastics ever manufactured has been made over the last 15 years. Each year, about 8 million tons of plastic waste goes into the oceans from the coastal nations. Plastic waste is present in every area in the globe, with the trash being concentrated in developing African and Asian regions, where low recycling rates persist. Though, trash coming from these areas of the world gets pushed out to sea due to its current polluting the open ocean and other land territories, worsening marine life conditions everywhere. Plastics being broken down into smaller plastics and seen in the oceans are called microplastics. Currently, these so-called microplastics can be found all over the world, from the highest peak to the deepest trench. Microplastics can be found both in the water system till the air around us. One can find the tiniest bit of plastics in the world around us.
Millions of wildlife around the world die because of plastic every year, from birds to other marine life. Most of the deaths of animals are caused by entanglements or starvation due to these plastics, abandoned fishing gear, or discarded six-pack rings floating around the ocean, to the point that these plastics can be found in the organism system. These plastics have negative effects on us humans, from cell damage to disruptions to our reproductive systems, risking both our lives and the environment. These plastics are with us all throughout our lives. Volunteer groups and plastic reduction programs have been acting upon this issue over the past few years, trying to reduce the number of plastics ending up in our oceans by having ghost fishing cleanups and beach cleanup programs. When we decide to take action against this plastic problem, we'll be able to reverse the negative impact plastics have on our environment, creating a greener and healthier world to live in, not only for us humans but also for God's beautiful creations. These plastics can be revolutionary, but will the human race live longer than these plastics?